What is up, guys? Today I'm here teaching tricking in 1 hour, and before that I'm gonna train some gainer switch swings and maybe cork swings too, and I'm gonna give you guys my best tips on how to get multiple swings as someone who can do multiple swings. Let's see how many swings I can get today. I try my best to get as many as possible. Also, my good friend and coaching partner Tatu, who got gainer switch swing through gainer, but not more, he's coming here soon, and I'm gonna be giving him some tips, and let's see, maybe he gets like gainer switch swing through gainer switch clean, or who knows, even 3. Let's see, it's up to him if he can follow the instructions. But I'ma start warming up. I'm gonna show you some warm-up exercises that I do for swing throughs. Mr. Tatu has arrived.
Oi.
The first step is to get a good one single gainer switch. This needs to be powerful. Kymmenen, 10. En mä tiedä, oli vähän enemmän kuin 10. Okay, so I just went for 10 gainer switches, but I did 15 because why not? It felt so easy. So my first tip would be to make your 1 or 2 gainer switches very good. Like, there is no point in going further if the 2 are not feeling very easy for you and very solid. Work on the technique of just 2, maybe 3 swings, and then when that feels comfortable, go forward. So what I think is the problem with Tatu's gainer switch swing through attempt is that he's not able to land in the same position as he's taking off to his first gainer switch or his only gainer switch. So let me show one example. Okay. Here was a couple. So what I mean with what I just said is that it's most important that you are landing and taking off similarly to every single gainer switch. So if you can do 2 good, you should be able to do at least 5 good. So just remember that. Basically, I think Tatu, he could force like maybe 2 or 3 gainer switches if he could with the technique that he currently has, but he could not get much further because it would take way too much energy. I think the best thing that he can do at the moment is that he will refine his technique of 1 gainer switch and then 2 gainer switches, and then he will proceed forward. Like, I know it might be tempting for him, for example, to do gainer switch cork with that kind of technique, because landing a gainer switch like this, it's much easier to go to a quite tucked cork from that, but it's not really worth it. I would say it's much better to drill a ton of single gainer switches, and then when he gets that good, gainer switch times 2 and then times 3, and drilling that a lot until it's perfect. And then he might be able to do like 10 in a month or so.
Usenka.